What makes My Credit Guy different than the other credit repair companies? First of all, we don't charge any upfront fees. We believe it's against federal law, and so we're not going to do it. We don't charge a dime until the 30th day of service. We also do free reviews on all files and guarantee a game plan that we lay out. So if we look at the credit and we say, listen, here's what you can expect from us, the client needs to do these few things. As long as we get to the end of that timeline and the client has done those few things, open up a credit card, pay a credit card down, possibly set funds aside for settlements and pay for deletions, as long as they've done those few things that we outlined in the beginning, if the client doesn't get the result that they were looking for, in most cases, we're gonna do a full or at least a partial refund. So there's no risk to the client. There's no situation where the client says, I did everything they said, I spent the money, and I still don't have good credit. The other thing that we're going to do is communication that is unmatched in our industry. The client is always going to know what's going on as long as they're answering the phone and looking at their emails. The referral partner that sent the client to us is always going to know what's going on because we understand that you're not sending us another deal unless you get this one back. So like our hair is on fire, we're trying to get them back to the closing table with you. So whether it comes to the fact that we don't charge upfront fees, that our process is better, that our communication cannot be beat, or whether it just comes down to the fact that we have a passion for getting clients qualified for home loans so that they can realize the American dream, there is no competition when it comes to credit repair and My Credit Guy.